Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Mr. S and I'm a primary school teacher here to help you with some of the tricky things that happen in school. First off, we're going to get started with long division here. I remember that when I was a kid, long division was one of the things I hated the absolute most. So let's get started with it. With answering long division questions, it's really important that we break it up into 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, to remember those 4 steps, I've got a little trick, and it's going to become our secret weapon for this. We're going to use dirty monkeys smell bad. And as strange as that seems, that's going to be our trick for answering these questions. What it actually stands for is dirty, we're looking at the D for division. Monkeys, we're looking at the M for multiplication. Smell is the S for subtraction. And bad, we're looking at B for bringing it down. If you can remember, dirty monkeys smell bad every time that you do long division, then you'll be on the first step to answering a question. Now let's go through a few together, shall we? Okay, so let's start with 684 divided by 12 here. What I'm going to do first off is put it into a bus stop. So I've got 684 inside my bus stop and I've got 12 on the outside. Now I always recommend to my class that they write down the 12 times table, whatever number you're dividing by, down on the side. It just makes things a little bit easier when you're coming to answer the question. And it means you've got to work it out that many less times. You don't have to go through your times table every single step of the way. Get that jotted down on the side. I know that it's correct, and it's my reassurance every time I'm answering a question. So let's get started with our 4 steps, shall we? We've got 684 divided by 12. First step, 6 divided by 12. Can 6 be divided by 12? No, it doesn't go in. So my division is the first step. No, it doesn't go in. Now I'm going to move on to multiplication. Okay, what was 12 multiplied by 0? 0. Okay, moving on to step 3, subtract. Let's do a little line here, column subtract. 6 subtracting 0 gives me 6. And lastly, I'm going to bring this next number down. I'm bringing down the 8, and my new number is 68. Now I'm going to try 68 divided by 12. Okay, this is where it comes in handy that I've got my times tables down by the side here. So firstly, I'm going to check how many 12s are in 68. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I go any further, then I've gone past 68. So I'm going to stay at this one and 5. Okay, so 68 divided by 12 is 5. Let's multiply. Dirty monkeys smell bad. Let's multiply 12 by 5. And that was over here, wasn't it? 60. Next step, let's subtract. 68 minus 60. That's going to be 8 take away 0 gives me 8. 6 take away 6 gives me 0. Dirty monkeys smell bad. Bringing down my 4. My new number here is 84. Okay, I'm going to do 84 divided, back to the beginning, by 12. What is 84 divided by 12? Well, let's check over here on the side, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I've got 7 up here. Multiply. Dirty monkeys spell bad. What was 12 multiplied by 7? It was 84. Subtract. I'm going to do 84. Subtract 84 gives me 0. Once I've got 0 at the bottom, it's happy days. We're at the end. There's no more dividing or multiplying that I need to do here. So my answer is 57. 684 divided by 12 gives me 57. All right, let's give that one more try over here, okay? Firstly, we're going to put him into a bus stop. So we've got a bus stop, 192 divided by 16. All right, next step, always helpful to get my times tables written down the side there. 16. If you don't know your 16 times table, then that's also fine. You can do them one step at a time. 16 add 16. You might want to use a column method to do that, or maybe you're just adding 10, add 6 ones, add 10, add 6 ones. 48, add 10, 58, add 6 ones, 64. Add 10, add 6, 80, add 10, add 6, 96. Now I think that's going to be far enough. I'm not going to keep going because I don't need my list to be going down infinitely. I just need to be going as far as I need it for this time. If I need to add more later, then I can do that. So first step, dirty monkeys smell bad. What is 16 into 1? What is 1 divided by 16? That's right, it's 0. We can't have 16 going into 1. 1 is far too small. Next step, multiply. What was 16 multiplied by 0? 0. Dirty monkeys smell bad. Subtract. 1 subtracting 0 gives me 1 still. And I'm going to bring down the 9. Okay, so now what we need to look at is we're going to go for division again. Dirty monkeys smell bad. Division. What is 19 divided by 16? Looking over here, it only goes in one time. Multiply. Dirty monkeys smell bad. How many times does 16 go into 19? 16 multiplied by 1 is 16. Whoops, making a mistake. 16. Subtract. 9 subtracting 6 gives me 3. 1 subtracting 1, 0. And I'm going to bring down my 2 so that I've got 32. Okay, first step again, division. What is 32 divided by 16? 1, 2. Goes in 2 times. What was 16 multiplied by 2? It was 32. I'm going to subtract those 2, gives me 0, and there we are at the end. We've got 0, 0. Okay, what I would like you to do is to give a couple of these questions a go yourself. I've got a couple more questions down here. If you can give those 2 questions a go, pause it, have a try, and write your answers in the comments. Please remember to subscribe, it really helps my channel, and good luck.